Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to change Wi-Fi on Shark Robot. It allows you to control and customize your cleaning schedules, access detailed cleaning reports, and even integrate it with voice assistants like Amazon Alexa and Google Home. But before you dive into these advanced features, let us get the basics right. Before we embark on the journey of connecting your Shark Robot to a Wi-Fi network, let us ensure we have a strong foundation. First, ensure that your smartphone is connected to the Wi-Fi network you intend to use for your Shark Robot. A stable internet connection is crucial for the setup process. Disable VPN or ad blocker software. For a seamless setup experience, temporarily disable any VPN or ad blocker software on your phone. These tools might interfere with the setup process. If your robot vacuum was previously connected to a different network, it is essential to reset the Wi-Fi settings. This will clear previous configurations and prepare your robot for the new connection. For iOS users, connecting your Shark Robot to a new Wi-Fi network is a straightforward process. Head to the App Store, search for the Shark Clean app and download it to your iOS device. Open the app and create an account. You will need to provide your email and choose a secure password. Ensure your robot is powered and hold the dock and clean buttons continuously for 5 to 10 seconds or dock and max for Shark 1 on. This action activates the robot's Wi-Fi mode, indicated by a blinking Wi-Fi indicator. Exit the app temporarily and go to your device's Wi-Fi settings. In the list, you will find your specific Shark Robot model. Return to the Shark Clean app. Select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Make sure you choose the 2.4 GHz network if you have more than one. A success screen will appear, and the Wi-Fi icon on the robot will turn solid blue when successfully connected. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.